Hi everyone, welcome back to the Color Hub with Michelle and Shannon.
Hello.
This is a new paint that I've been dying to try. It's like all the rage now, I guess. And it's called Kuretake Gansai Tambi. It's a Japanese watercolor. And it's really famous for giving you very vibrant, clear color. And it dries almost with a sheen, with a shine on it. So I've been really interested because we were doing that children's book.
Yes.
I was thinking I actually got these to see if maybe those would be good to paint, you know.
So you're going to have
The
a little bit
characters
of this like glossy look when it's
Exactly.
all finished?
Yeah, that's what they say. So let's
find
just
out.
take a look at this. This is what the case comes in. It's all Japanese writing that I cannot read.
That's all Japanese writing on the inside.
And I do love,
oh, wow.
I love the large pans. And you can see they just totally look different than...
Put them closer so people can see there's actually a sheen on them right now.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
cool.
they look totally different. Now these pans aren't very thick, but you use so little paint. You can see they're not very deep; they're shallow, but I still think you're
still
getting
looks like a lot, though.
Yeah, because the paint pot is so big that
Once you add the water too, you're going to have more in there.
Right. So I've been dying to try these, and I've had them for a couple weeks now, and Shannon and I have been just finding the time to be able to do a couple more videos and do a review on this. So yeah, I'm really excited. Oh, they do have English names on the cover of what we've got. So I'm going to take and use my Arteza paper here, which is a very nice watercolor paper. This one is not the 100% cotton. I would advise getting the 100% cotton, but this is a great practice pad, and it's very affordable. So we're gonna go ahead and set everything up so that we can try these paints out.
Awesome. Back in a second.
Okay, so I've got my swatch all written out so we can swatch it together. I'm really excited about this. I've seen Lindsay Weirick, the Frugal Crafter. I've seen her paint with these, and they were just lovely. So
I'm just curious to see how it dries.
yeah, probably should have wet these first.
Well, we'll see.
Gives you a nice. Oh, that's pretty. That's your red. These, I think if you want them, these were not super cheap. I want to say they were in the 20s.
Okay.
20s, and they had a much larger set that I really loved, but that was like a big jump in price. So I wanted to try them out. Ooh, that's a sap green light. Look at that color.
That's cool.
That's different. And of course, like, you can go lighter or darker.
Yeah.
And these paints I did not water first. Normally I spray my paints with spray. I probably should have.
Well, this way people can see how, fast you can use them. If you decide you want to use it right away.
And they're drying very quickly onto the paper as well. Of course, we've got a fan on, but
Have to. It's awfully humid out today.
and this isn't 100% cotton paper either, so.
That's an interesting one.
I liked that one.
Yeah.
When she used that, there was this one and another one that was really pretty. And actually, I think she might have had the larger set because, but this has got to have white in it.
Yeah.
That's got to be a
Well,
mix.
it's got the character for white in it, so.
Yeah. And this one also has a lot of colors that I don't normally use. Now that one had some white on. I saw it on the brush. I'll try that one again. Ooh, that is a gorgeous color. Look at that.
Nice pale flower color.
Yeah, these are colors A lot of these colors I don't have in any of my other sets either. I said that about the Paul Rubens, but I don't have a lot of these colors either.
There's just so many colors out there.
Where am I?
You're
right here.
green. Yep.
I always get confused when I'm doing these.
They're drying kind of light too.
Yeah, I think because, you know, I didn't wet them first, so I'm not going in with a lot of paint. And they are a dry paint, a dry cake. So now those, the sap green light and the sap green, are very close to one another. I'm really liking these colors though. These are very pretty. Shannon and I are writing a children's book together. And it's going to be really cool. We're hoping to get it done before the Mariontown Festival.
Yeah, which is on September 11th.
We're hoping.
On Main Street Marine.
So I'm doing the illustrations and Shannon is writing it. And it's based on actually a true story with one of our huskies. So
Oh, I like that color.
that is gorgeous. That's their indigo, which is really beautiful. And that's got a lot of granulation in it too, you can see. I like how these paints are drying too. And these are also very clear, translucent
I think you're on the
paints.
black.
This is the black.
Oh, okay.
So these are very translucent paints as well. So I can see you being able to glaze with these. I did hear, I don't know how true it is, I did hear that these paints, you should just go right in and paint. You know how like normally I would mix paints?
Yeah. Yep.
They did say just go right in, and because they're so pure
Oh, okay.
and translucent.
So don't mix these then?
Well, you can. I had heard people just say that, you know, they don't even bother. They just go in and...
Oh,
All right.
Of course, you watch the videos, and
I watch a
usually
lot of
don't.
videos, yeah. Can't get Shannon to watch the videos, guys.
She tells me about it.
Yeah. Here's a hooker's green. Well, my yellow ochre is going into the hooker's
Oops.
green, but oh well.
That end part is what the ochre looks like with the hooker's green.
It's pretty. This one's going to be pretty. This is turquoise blue. Ooh. That's different than what I thought it was going to look like. I like that. Cobalt violet. These aren't very strong colors. It could be just the fact that I didn't spray them first. But we'll see. But I really like these colors. I love them. Like, they kind of look like children's book colors.
Yeah, they're like bright, but they're not in your face bright.
Yeah, exactly. Like you can see through them. They're very transparent. I'm liking them. I can't wait to start painting with them. These with the I don't want to say for sure because I can't remember. I did look it up, but like Shannon says, I see so many videos. I don't know about the light fastness with these. I thought I read that they were light fast, pretty good.
Do you have anything on here? Nope.
But you know, if you keep your paintings behind glass and out of the sun, which you're supposed to with anything anyways, they'll last.
Yeah.
These are beautiful. I love some of these different colors. Like that ultramarine is a lot lighter than a normal ultramarine, and it could be just like I said, I didn't have the paints pre-sprayed. I love the indigo. I really like that ultramarine pale.
Yeah, I'm not really seeing the what do you call it? The shine on it.
Yeah,
I don't know if it's the paper or
it could be the paper. It could be I didn't have it very
wet to begin with.
very wet. But yeah, they did say that they dry with a shine or a little bit of a sheen, not like in your face shine, but a little bit of a sheen. So yeah, It could be this paper too, I don't know. Because it soaked it right in.
Yeah.
Maybe if I went over with another coat, it would,
there you go.
you'd see a better...
Because this just absorbed it so fast.
Yeah, and we've got the fan on and the air conditioner on. It's really muggy day. But yeah, these are beautiful colors. So these are the Kuretake Gansai Tambis. I don't know if I'm saying that properly, but I love the size of the pans. I love that you can get a brush in there, you know, and not be wrecking your brush in a half pan.
Yeah.
You know, you got to be careful when you're using half pans. Go in with, you know, a stiffer brush that's not one of your best. Like this is a silver black velvet. That's one of my better brushes. And
Yeah.
I don't want to go digging into a pan with one of these. But I love the size of the pans. I really like how they're displayed out in this box. And the box is really heavy. It's heavier than it looks. So yeah, I think these might be a good addition to our collection. Our collection of paints.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd be curious to see with a second coat if they do anything more as far as like the sheen. I could just do like one or two. And
I can
see
do
if
one
that-
or two and see.
Yeah.
Here's
Just
the
curious.
red. We weren't. So that's with 2 coats. Cadmium.
Because like I
scarlet.
noticed your black is taking longer to dry. You had to you had it on there thicker,
I think so. Yeah.
and so it almost looks like it's gonna keep some of that shine.
Yeah. You can see like the sheen on the white though. Like normally when you paint white, you can't see it. I can see it though from where I am. Here's the sap green with the second coat. If they're not totally dry, they're gonna.
Yep.
Did I get that in your eye? Oh my golly, I'm sorry.
That's funny.
I am dangerous. I'm telling you, when I paint, Shannon like
gosh.
gets back because when I do my spatters,
Yeah.
I see people do such delicate little spatters like on videos, and that is not me. The
Mom
spatter
says-
goes across the
Mom says I'm doing splatter. I literally like cover up the laptop. I cover up everything.
All right, so that gives you a couple ideas of what it's going to look like. And my phone's going off. So, all right, guys, thank you for this video.